Welcome back to Vision Desk. Some people walk in and instantly earn respect while others go unnoticed. Today you'll learn the simple tactic that makes the difference. What if I told you there's one thing you can change today that makes people instantly take you more seriously? No complicated tricks, no years of training, just one psychological tactic backed by science that flips the way others see you from forgettable to respected. And here's the catch. Most people unknowingly do the exact opposite. Think about the last time you were in a room where someone walked in and everyone paid attention without them saying a single word. What was that? Why do some people command respect while others get brushed aside? Today, you will learn the tactic that shifts respect in your favor. I will break it down into steps you can practice immediately, and by the end, you'll have a clear way to change how people respond to you starting this week. Point 1. The science of first impressions. Researchers at Harvard found that 80% of first impressions come down to just two things: competence and warmth. Respect lives right there. If you signal both, people decide in seconds that you're worth listening to. If you miss, it takes months to recover that first impression. Here's where the tactic comes in. Point 2. The core tactic: strategic assertiveness. Strategic assertiveness is the key. It's a three-part formula. First, body language. Straight posture, controlled movements, steady eye contact. These cues tell the brain you are confident before you even speak. Second, boundaries. When you protect your time with a calm no, you show you respect yourself. People reflect that back. Third, tone. A lower, slower voice signals control and authority. Others feel it without even realizing why. Put these together and you shift how people treat you. Point 3. Real life shifts. Think about two situations. One where you got interrupted and lost your point, and another where someone pushed you to say yes when you wanted to say no. In those moments, you either shrink or you stand firm. With strategic assertiveness, you pause, hold your ground, and calmly take control of the situation. The difference in how people respond is huge. And here's what's fascinating. Practice it in small, low-stakes settings, and it becomes automatic when the pressure is real. Point 4. Why it works psychologically. Respect isn't just social, it's chemical. When people respect you, your brain releases dopamine. You feel stronger, more motivated. And here's the kicker. People mirror what you project. Treat yourself with confidence and boundaries, they mirror back respect. Treat yourself as invisible, they mirror back indifference. So here's the challenge. For the next 7 days, test strategic assertiveness. Pick one posture habit to fix, prepare one calm no, and slow your voice just slightly when you state an opinion. Watch what happens. And here's my request. Don't just keep this to yourself. Share one moment in the comments where you tried it and noticed a shift. Your story might be the exact spark someone else needs to break free from being ignored. Respect spreads when it's seen. Let's start a chain reaction. Thanks for watching until the end. If this tactic sparked something for you, don't let it stop here. Respect grows through practice, and every time you apply it, you'll feel the difference. And if this video shifted your perspective even a little, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Each video builds on the last, and the next one could be the step that changes everything for you.